We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi.
Ciao!
Good morning, welcome. Actually, it's not a morning, it's almost afternoon.
It's still morning, eh?
Yeah. Hi, you guys.
So we have taken you to this beautiful castle called Donnafugata, which is
Just in the province of Ragusa, not far from Ragusa, the town of Ragusa.
Absolutely.
And there is a lot of history behind this castle. Maria actually thought differently about this
I
place.
did, I made a mistake. Because we watched the series The Leopard, which is Il Gatto Pardo, I was convinced that this was their summer home. But then reading about it, we found out, no, actually it wasn't, because their summer home was an invented place. But we were pleasantly surprised that we came anyway. So here we are.
There's a lot of history behind it, and enough for you to come and visit. This place is definitely a place to visit.
Beautiful.
Very, very nice. You pay a tenner.
If you want to see everything, so everything completed,
which is very advisable,
which we advise is €10 each. Otherwise, I think just the gardens is €2 if you just want to see the gardens.
I think it's the gardens, and there's another one, just the castle and the garden. So there's different prices. But the best one is to do a €10 tour.
Yeah.
You get over a couple of hours, I think, into
about an hour and a bit, yeah.
Vorrei la stessa cosa, quindi ma a sinistra. Si ritorna poi più.
Buongiorno. Oh, I think they're
sexy.
very sexy. That's cute. Babe, this is something for you.
Oh, yeah, I'd wear that every single day in the garden. Some more ugly slippers. That's what you're gonna get. I'm gonna get you one of these to get to marry me with. Again, di battaglia.
Sicilian Peaky Blinders.
Sicilian form of Peaky Blinders.
Massi.
Le ceste di botte. Wow. Let's see.
Go on.
That mirror would be great in our house.
Oh, wow. Beautiful.
Dude!
The peacocks in the corner, Mass. So this is the smoking room.
Oh.
Music hall?
This is the music hall, yeah.
Of course. look at the art on these walls.
Yeah. It's all original, isn't it?
You wouldn't ever want to go out, would you, with all these beautiful...
The guest house. La Foresteria. The guest house with rooms reserved for me.
I know, it's incredible. Look above. Look at the ceiling.
The bishop's apartment.
So this is where the... Do you remember how we saw on the Gattopardo?
Yeah, there was a bishop.
Where there was always a bishop that travelled. Look above.
Looks like a bishop's bedroom, doesn't it?
It does.
The bishop's bedroom.
Got the cross of the bed.
The bishop's bathroom where he'd done,
Excuse me.
he'd done a bishop's poo-poo.
Massi. And he's got a bishop's bidet.
Bishop's pee-pee and bishop's poo-poo. Right.
Gosh, come have a look at this view.
What's going on?
Which we will get now when we go out there. Isn't that beautiful?
My drone's going to be working overtime.
Mirrors, it's called this.
Okay. A lot of mirrors, isn't it? Yeah, there's mirrors everywhere. Suppose you're not going to get away with not being seen, yeah? Oh, wow. Hello. The coat of arms hall. Oh, yeah, obviously.
So the wallpaper is made up of 750 different
wallpaper, this is painted on.
coat of arms.
Get up my strimmer.
Lot to be done.
I've got my lawnmower fixed, I can cut the lawn today. Wow. Oh, pretty. Harry Potter's library. Okay. Whoa. I get lost in here, mate.
Beautiful.
Very cool. Building's amazing.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Arrivederci.
Get off the Sphinx, the boots.
Such beauty, honestly. Why don't they build buildings like this anymore? Cement earns more and is cheaper. And it doesn't last. That's the problem. You can see the stars and the moon. Oh no, that is so sweet. Twins.
Dude.
He's a little bit taller than you, Muff. But he's got your, come here, he's got your moustache.
Anyone's taller than me.
Cross over. We're going to go into the labyrinth.
Yes, you're right.
I don't know. If we get lost, we can always fly the drone up, can't we? All right. We're going into the labyrinth of...
No, we're in the labyrinth.
what is it called? The
Labyrinth
journey of
of
life.
life, yeah.
The journey of life. Let's see how quick we can get lost.
Right, so we're officially lost.
Labirinto siciliano. Terzi.
Looking for a way out the labyrinth.
There is no way out.
Going round and round and round and round like a goddamn fish in a fishbowl. Every corner looks the same as the last one.
Yes.
3 hours later.
It's breaking the wall. We can break the wall down.
Yeah, we're getting out. We're getting out. What? Oh. Thanks, Mas.
I'm wrong again.
Wrong again. Massi's just talking to his auntie. It's her birthday, so he's wishing her a happy birthday. She lives in Rome and we're showing her the castle. She's very happy. We had a wonderful time, but it was time to go home now. Oh wow, look at all those eggs. I can't touch those because she's laying on them. But I've got one here. Thank you. There we go. So because in the evenings Massimo and I, we love to have something sweet to eat. I know it's not very good, but we just love it. We have a cup of tea just before we go to bed, and then we'll have a slice of whatever we make. So we try and make our own sweet stuff, unless we buy some really good biscuits. So what I'm going to partially prepare, because I think Massi wants to finish this off, is I'm going to make a sort of a tart, but with a bit of a twist. It's not going to have a tart base. It's just going to be super easy because, like, literally I have to go in a little bit. I have to go out and sort some other stuff out, and then I start work at 3:30 and I literally finish at about 7 o'clock, so I won't have time. So I'm going to make a cheesecake base. So with your typical digestive biscuits, I'm going to crush them up, and then I'm going to melt my butter. I'm going to combine it all together, and I'm just going to line a tin and pop that in the fridge. So then this afternoon when Massi comes home, together we'll make the filling, and then we'll pop that back into the fridge, and then it should be ready by tonight. I'm doing it the old style with the rolling pin, when I've just realized that Massi bought me one of these not so long ago. Silly me. Hi guys, I'm on my way to picking Massi up from the bees, where he goes and works with the bees. I'm quite good friends with Manuela, who is the wife of the guy that Massi works with. So I'm just gonna go grab a cup of coffee with her, wait a couple of maybe half an hour, and then Massi and I will go back home and have lunch. Today I am pretty busy because I have to go to Pachino, which is on very close to Marzamemi. Beautiful location. Actually, when I teach in the classroom, just outside the windows you can see the sea. I'll see if I can film that for you. I get so mesmerized by the sea, and I'm like, oh okay kids, sorry, let's carry on. It's so beautiful. Anyway, I do that twice a week. I'm only doing it till May. It's a special project that the government has launched for all the schools, so it's quite nice, and so they hire like English teachers to teach there. So I'm doing that at the moment. Massi is very busy with the bees, so we don't have any mornings together anymore. All we have is a Sunday. So yeah, so I'm just going to show you where he works. Massi, great eyes, Massi. Another sting this morning. Mas, what are you eating?
Broad beans.
Broad beans? Like that, without being cooked?
Oh, they're better when they're this way than when they're cooked.
Really?
Much nicer. Good afternoon.
So I have let this rest all morning. Massi told me off because he's like, where are the sides? How's it going to hold it up? So let's see how it goes.
Not a problem, we can get round that anyway.
Hopefully, yes.
Okay, so what I'm doing at the moment, I'm slicing some strawberries.
Yeah.
Show you that quickly. So I'm slicing them quite big. I'm going to layer them on top. I'm going to have a nice big layer on top of strawberries. And what's left over, I'm probably going to eat them.
And I've just melted the dark chocolate in a pot full of boiling water, slowly melted it, so that's all ready to go.
Yep.
I think we're going to make a type of a ganache. We've never done it. I've never done it before. I don't know if you have, Mas.
I surely have.
Okay.
So ganache is basically, it's not a cheesecake because you've got a lot more chocolate than cheese. We're using mascarpone cheese. I'm putting some cream into the chocolate.
Yeah,
the
base is like a cheesecake though, because it's obviously a digestive.
Yeah, the base is obviously we've taken some digestive biscuits. Maria did it earlier on. Okay, so what Maria has done, she has put the hot chocolate, the normal chocolate into a hot bain-marie. So there's hot water in there. We boil that. Let that melt off. I've added a bit of cream. I'm now going to add the mascarpone cheese into that. And we're going to smooth that all on top of the biscuit base that she's done. And on top of that, I'm going to put strawberries.
Yum.
So in goes the mascarpone cheese. So I'm folding the mascarpone cheese into the chocolate. I'm going to get that all mixed up. And that is the first topping. And then on top of that, we're going to layer the strawberries. Nice. As you saw, I cut the strawberries in thin layers. I have put cream into 2 bars of chocolate. The amount of cream is half a cup of cream, maybe a little bit less than half a cup. I haven't put too much cream in. And I put 250 grams of mascarpone cheese in there. So I've mixed it all in. Almost looks like a chocolate mousse base. And that is going to go on top. So I'm going to layer that on top here.
I know that some people may want to add some sugar, but we don't really like it.
It's sugar. There's enough sugar in it anyway.
And the chocolate is already sugary as it is. But if you want, you can add.
You can always add a little bit of sugar to taste. Too much sugar is not good for you, remember?
Thanks, Dr. Massi.
No, it's just a matter of fact. I'm sure everybody knows
it's true, it's true.
Okay, so you've got that on top there. I'm going to smooth that all out into the sides. You need to make sure that you tuck it into the sides. It needs to get everywhere.
Wow, I'm dying to eat that.
That's going to take 4 hours in the fridge.
Tonight, I'm going to be really happy.
Okay, I'm going to do it from the outside inwards. So I'm going to basically place the strawberries on one by one. I'm going to put one way and one the other way. So I'm going to basically fit them into each other.
Well, you said one way, one the other way, and then you did.
Oh, yeah. Okay, true. Sorry, let me get a fork. Let me change that. Sorry, I didn't realize.
How dare you?
So let's try and fit them in. You need to try and slot them in as much as you can. I'm actually loving this. I'm making design out of it. So Maria says she likes to see the chocolate. I said to Maria, you'll see the chocolate once you bite into the cake.
That's true.
Don't worry about seeing the chocolate. You know it's a chocolate because I'm going to tell you.
It just looks aesthetically pleasing with the chocolate in the middle, but yeah, I get you.
It doesn't look too bad with the strawberries either.
It's true.
So I've made my little design. It's got a star design out of the strawberries. And I've started on the outside and I've gone inside and I've turned them around.
Like, you're so clever. Thank you so much.
And those strawberries we're going to eat.
We're going to eat
the ones that left over.
Yeah.
I cut more for a reason. Okay, so this baby is done. We're now going to pop it into the fridge for 4 hours. When you take it out, you want to get some icing sugar, put some icing sugar on top, and that should be it. That's going to settle very nice in 4 hours.
Super easy cake to make. You can make it and even substitute the strawberries with whatever fruit you like. Let us know if it turns out well. Hope you enjoyed this week's episode and see you next time with a brand new one. Ciao! Alla prossima!